In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Teams from your computer. If you no longer use Teams or you just want to remove it to free up space or troubleshoot app issues, Windows makes the process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can uninstall it cleanly and confidently. Start by clicking the Start button on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This is the main menu where you can access your system settings and installed programs. Once the Start menu opens, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Apps and open it. From there, select Installed Apps. This area shows the programs currently installed on your computer, and it's where you can manage or remove them. Now use the search bar in the Installed Apps section to look for Microsoft Teams. Typing the name can help you find it faster, especially if you have a lot of applications installed. Once Microsoft Teams appears in the list, click the three dots next to it. This opens a small menu with additional options for that app. From that menu, select Uninstall. Windows will then ask you to confirm your choice. Click Uninstall again to continue. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental removal, so don't worry if it asks twice. After that, follow any additional instructions that appear on your screen. Depending on your version of Teams or your Windows setup, you may see a short uninstall wizard or a final confirmation message. Just continue through the prompts until the app has been fully removed. One helpful tip before you finish. If you notice more than one Teams-related app installed, such as the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in, take a moment to decide whether you want to remove that as well. In some cases, uninstalling the main Teams app does not automatically remove related components, so it's worth checking the list carefully. And that's it. Once the uninstall is complete, Microsoft Teams should no longer be installed on your computer. If needed, you can always reinstall it later from Microsoft's official website or through your organization's software tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove Microsoft Teams quickly and easily.